Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how xenon can change phases as a supercritical fluid. Check this out. You might remember that xenon is an inert, noble gas. It's actually the most rare and the heaviest of all noble gases with 54 protons. It's 4.5 times heavier than air. During excitation, xenon gives off photons with a beautiful blue glow. Just look at that. But if you get xenon hot enough and if it's under enough pressure, it can be a supercritical fluid. And that's when you can't really distinguish whether it's a gas or a liquid, and you can actually change the temperature just a little bit, so it'll change phase from a gas into a liquid, but it'll actually skip the vapor-liquid boundary. Check this out. So all I'm using in this investigation is a very small ampule of supercritical xenon and some ice. Now this ampule appears to be in a gas state, but if I just lower the temperature a little bit, you'll see a meniscus form. You see it? If I tilt it back and forth, you can kind of see that liquid xenon go back and forth. But if you look carefully, it skipped that vapor-liquid barrier, and it just changed from a gas right into a liquid. Now if I just warm it up with my finger, it'll vanish. Let's see if we can make it change phase into a liquid again. You see it? There it is again as a liquid. And you can easily see that meniscus layer right there in the middle. And now if I warm it up with my hand, again, that layer of liquid is just gonna vanish, watch. Oh, it's still there. Warm it up a little bit more. So xenon becomes supercritical when it's under 65 atmospheres of pressure and at 16 degrees centigrade. When you cool it down just a little bit, it can change phase and it can bypass that liquid vapor barrier. It has no surface tension when it's supercritical. It's the liquid again. So you might be sitting here and thinking, well, what are supercritical fluids used for? Well, they can be used as a solvent. Currently, they're being used to decaffeinate coffee beans. Just imagine that. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.